schreeuwen mag Carpet. Is niet meer schiffer, juist toestaan. Is niet skellen, zoals dat. Is niet skellen, zo mag.
What's up, YouTube? CFX here, back with episode 2 of the 500 to 5K challenge. So, in this video, as you guys know, we ended off last video with $1,049. Now, for this next video, I'm not really sure how much I'm trying to earn. I'm only going to take what the market gives me. And honestly, when I was doing my markups, it wasn't giving me much. So if we do not take that many trades tonight, that is perfectly fine, because we went way over, you know, our expected end goal for last session. So I'm fine with either 1 or 2 or even 3 trades, collecting our profits and getting out of the market. It's not about how much money you can make in one night. It's about how consistent you can be every single night or every single day. So let's work on staying consistent. Let's collect our profits and let's get straight to this bag, man. All right, so USD JPY is now nearing an end. This was the first trade that we took for the session, and did not turn out the way that we wanted it to, but it's completely fine, because I do feel on this next candlestick that it's going to drop on this one, and I'm very, very confident on this. Let's see. So the new candle just came out just now. Let's see. Okay. So the new candlestick just came out, and we got the confirmations that we are now looking for. We're pretty good. I'm just waiting. Let's see. Lower my time frame because I didn't hop in right at the beginning of the candlestick. Now let's see what it does in the next minute or so. So we're going to see what this candle does in the next minute, and then we will decide if we want to hop in on this trade or not. All right, what's up, guys? So we are entering, I guess you call this a little brief intermission real quick. It is now 10:16. Yes, it is 10:16. And I have not been able to find a setup that I just really like in order for me to take a trade, honestly. There are some trades that went in a direction that I was hoping for them to go in. It's just I did not hop in them because they did not come to a specific point that I wanted them to come to. So I did not take those trades, but they did. They would have been winning trades. But it's okay. We're going to wait maybe like another 30 minutes to an hour or so before we come back and look at the charts. And then I'm going to show you guys what trades we decide to enter into it. If not, then we're going to just end the session and hop in some trades tomorrow. But this is an intermission right now. So let's see what tonight, well, what the rest of the night brings us. I'm gonna see y'all then.
A few moments later.
All right, so we are now entering the final seconds of this trade, and looks like this is going to be a loss, which is going to be a tough one on our account. And honestly, what I feel about this trade is probably could have took a better entry, but it's all fine. We are going to end the session off right there. It was very little movement in this trade, and honestly, for like the past 4 minutes, in the last 4 minutes of that trade, it did not really move at all, honestly. From my entry point, as you guys saw, I always enter at the beginning of a candlestick, but from my entry all the way to the end of that trade, it really didn't move at all. And then when it did move, it moved down. So wasn't a good trade. Our account is at 146. Very tough hit on our account. Jeez. All right, so just ended out the session. And if you guys are wondering what I'm feeling right now, it is pain. Straight pain. Real talk. No. But I'm looking at this trade still, and I'm just wondering, like, did I hop in too early? Did I hop in at the wrong time? Man, no. This is just a prime example of the market just doing whatever it wants to do. And no matter how good your analysis may be or how good the setup may be, you're gonna have trades like that. So it's part of the game. Sucks that it was a big boy trade that we did take that on, but it is what it is. I do understand like this is gonna happen. Although this was the biggest loss that we have taken, and we're gonna have a lot of bouncing back to do. But I'm confident in my consistency. I'm confident in my trading analysis still, because I know for sure what trades will allow me to win. And I just have to understand, like, look, we looked at the charts for, well, we started at 9. Our first trade was probably at like 9.10 or 9.05 to 9.10. That was USDJPY. We had already lost 4 trades at that current point in time, and then it wasn't any other trade set up. So that's just a reminder of, like said, look, we've been in this situation before. What happened in those times as well, and they ended up in blown accounts. So I did not blow my account this time. I still have another chance to fight. That's just a reminder for me, and now I have to apply that and just learn from it and come back the next morning or next night and try to trade those nights. But that's gonna be the end of the video. We're gonna get that back. I'm not worried at all. It's just gonna take a lot longer to complete this challenge now. That's how that means for me, because I'm not gonna blow this account. I'm gonna get that back. No worries. But I'm gonna see y'all in this video. I'm out, man.